Today we are going to unbox two brand new releases from Gabor, so let's get started. Today is launch day for Gabor's new styles. They have 3 out. I have 2 of them. We're going to start with So Uplifting. Now I am wearing my Timeless Beauty. I will put it up here somewhere or in the drop down box if you're curious about what I'm wearing. Both of these wigs were provided to me by Wig Studio One, so I'm doing this video in collaboration with them. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Support at wigstudio1.com. One of the personal hair consultants will be happy to answer any questions you have, and join us in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Okay, So Uplifting. I have it in Fiery Copper, which I love Fiery Copper. And I thought, well, we'll just unbox this together and see how these new styles look. Okay. Let me get it out of the bobby pins here. It has an extended lace front and a monopart. I'll show you that. Open wefted. Looks like there's going to be some permatease right here. Closed ear tabs with stays. Has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. Lots of stretch here, as you can see. Lots of layers. I see lots of choppy layers here. Fiery Copper. Lots of highlights around the face. Heat-friendly fibers. And yeah, I like all these choppy ends. I can already see that on here. And this color, copper with gold highlights. That is how Gabor describes their Fiery Copper. Okay, let's try it on and see how it fits. Okay, fits really large. Matter of fact, let me take it off and take it up. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. This is really big on me, so I'm going to pull it in a good bit on both sides. I'll show you that. Pull it in that far on both sides. It is really, really large on me. So if you have a larger head circumference, you'll be able to wear this, I believe. Okay, so a lot of fiber here. Wow, lots of hair. Even though I'm feeling, yeah, there's some permatease in here. It has that mono part, like we said. Now, I think that's going to give us some lift here. And this color is so pretty. I'm going to spray mine with just some basic water here. You know, I always do that. If you've watched me for any time, you know the first thing I do when I take a wig out of the box is I give it a good spray. I want to see how I can separate these fibers, what I'm working with. Now you can make this big, I think, or I think you're going to be able to sleek this down. Has a longer nape, I can feel that. Now I don't have a mirror in the back, so we'll just do the best we can here. Yeah, that has a longer nape. I like that. I really like that this has that longer nape. It's 3½ inches, and that gives you, if you have hair that grows down, that's going to give you good coverage there. Now the specs of this, the front of this is 4½. So is the crown. The crown is 5½. I'm sorry. The front is 4½. The crown's 5½. The sides are 3½. 4¼ inch back, and then that 3½ inch nape. Okay, so we know we can wear it with a bang. I'm going to see if I can sleek it down just a little. Yep, you can do that easily. It's not a huge amount of permatease here, but there is some running through here. And there's a lot of fiber, like I said, on this wig. Just a lot of hair on this wig, a lot of fiber. Let me zoom in and show you this lace front. Yeah, this has a super nice lace front, as you can see. Well, that melds right into your face. The lace front is extended. It comes all the way to here. coverage. You can barely see my bio hair here or here. So just making sure you get a good look at this lace front. So this is a really razor cut. Like I told you, there were lots of fiber here. So I feel like this is kind of a razor cut shag with a lot of shattered layers here. I'm going to spray it with a little, I have some Tressalure wig wax. I'm just going to spray it a little with this. I want to create some texture. I want to see if I can get this to be pretty big hair. Because, you know, I'm into that. And I can. You can build this up. Okay, you can see. I can make this big if I want to. I could really work. I could do some styling cream in here and really separate this out and build this up to be really big hair if I wanted to. But I just wanted to separate it with a little of that wig wax and see what I could come up with. I would wear it behind my ears. Casual, throw on and go. The fibers feel so good on this. Again, these are the heat-friendly fibers. Yeah, pretty. Let's look at this color in some outdoor lighting. All right, next up, we're going to unbox Beaming Beauty in SS Iced Latte Macchiato, which is GF 1723 SS, Shaded Iced Latte Macchiato. You know, the more I play around with this little wig, I think, okay, this is cute. This is a really out-of-the-box style. I love these fibers. These heat-friendly fibers feel so pretty on this wig. This one is also heat-friendly. All of the ones they came out with are. So let's have a look at Beaming Beauty. Look at those waves. Oh gosh. Love that. Get this packing out. This color. So pretty. Give it a little shake for you. Let's have a look at that. And let's talk about the cap features. It also has an extended lace front and mono part. Might be a little permatease here. Doesn't feel like that much. Open wefted, closed ear tabs with stays, extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. Should you see that? All right, let's talk about this color. SS Iced Latte Macchiato. So beautiful. Honey blonde shaded with cool blonde. This ash in here, as you can see. So pretty. You'll be able to see that better in outdoor lighting. Keep in mind, it is so important that you see from whoever you watch, whatever wig reviewer you prefer, that they show you the color in indoor and outdoor lighting. These studio lights absolutely alter the color of the wig. There's no way for us to get around that, and we have to have the lighting in order to film. So you just have to see these colors in different types of lighting. It's not fair to you if we don't show it to you in natural lighting as much as we can. Okay, let's give it a try. Now, as you remember, this one was really big. The So Uplifting was real big, and I have a feeling this is going to be the same, but we're just give it a try first and see. And yes, I would hardly be able to do any kind of styling or anything with this, it would fly right off. So I'm going to take it up. Before we do anything else, it's getting hung on my vest here. All right, I'll take it in a good bit, just like I did the other one, so I can get a good fit on this. Again, so if you have a larger size head, I have a 21 1/4 inch. If you have a larger size head, you'll be able to wear this, I do believe. Yeah, that is much better. Taking it up. Oh, how pretty. I love, oh, this is really cute. Love this curl pattern. I love beachy waves. That's exactly what this is. Of course, I just took it out of the box, so it has the crisscross part. But just a beachy wave, throw on and go. Very little permatease here. Let me feel at the nape. There is some permatease at the nape. Not a lot, but I do feel it back there for sure. And some up here, but not a huge amount. Not a huge amount on the top. Just a little to give it that lift you see right here. I'm going to do just what I did before with some water. Very lightly. Helps with flyaways, but mainly on a new wig like this, I just want to see the curl pattern. I want to see it separated. Really pretty. Now this front is 7 1/2 on this one. The crown is 8 1/2. The sides are 9 1/2. The back is 8, and the nape on this one is 5 1/4. So, like I said, I don't have a mirror back here, but let's have a look at it. So pretty. Love, love, love this curl pattern so much. Yeah. Now, what do you think about this color? Have you tried this color before? I like it. I think it's wearable. I think this is a natural color. I think a lot of different skin tones could wear this color. The darker root, as you see, a lot of ash in this wig. I'm going to take it outside and let you see it. But now, as you saw from those specs, it's a little shorter at the nape at 5.25 and then a little longer in the front at 7 1/2. So it has a little bit of that A-line. And that's a pretty silhouette. Super popular right now. Very trendy to where it's a little shorter in the back and then coming around to a little longer in the front. Really, really nice. Okay, I'm going to zoom in, let you see the lace front. I mean, wow, what an excellent, excellent job on the lace front. Cannot even see. Right there's my bio here. Excellent coverage, but always just like you to get a look at the lace front. Very well done. I just can't get over how pretty this color is with this cool blonde running all through here. Yeah, I think it's gorgeous. I love this color. Yeah, let's look at it in some different lighting.